Sit nice and tall, bring your hands in prayer pose and inhale for the tune-in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale and relax. Sit in easy pose, massaging your fingers until they tingle one by one. Start with your left hand and take your time. Keep your spine straight. Your eyes can be closed, focusing at the third eye, or they can be slightly open, focusing at the tip of the nose. Breathe consciously. And release every tension from your fingers with the massage. And then inhale, move the hands, and start to massage the right hand. Keep your attention on the hand, releasing every tension, massaging every knot. Letting go with the breath. Focus on the sensations of the hand in this moment. Feeling how every touch is influencing your state. Helping you relax even further. and inhale and relax. Now place the hands before the chest. Palms are facing each other with fingers spread wide apart. Close your eyes and start to meditate on the spine. Picturing it as a silver cord, very shiny. From the bottom to the spine, start to see the silver cord shining and going all the way up to your crown chakra. Keep the hands stiff and the fingers straight. Feel the path of the energy going all the way up and all the way down. Inhaling and exhaling very consciously. This concentration will help you build the power of the mind. Try and do your best. Keep the body in alignment. Keep the fingers spread. Now inhale deeply, hold for a moment, and then exhale, relax, and observe the energy. Now extend the arms out to the sides, parallel to the ground with the palms up. Close your eyes, align your body, and start to feel the energy building up in the palms of your hands. Feeling this healing cosmic energy in the palms of your hands. Breathe long and deep. feel more and more healing energy coming from the cosmos to heal yourself. Feel this energy, see this energy integrating within your whole body. And if there is any part of your body that needs healing, send consciously this energy there. With the inhale, feel this energy expanding, and with the exhale, release every tension, every stagnation that needs to be released. Here and now. Keep it up, we are almost there. Now inhale deeply, hold the breath in, see your body filled with light. And exhale, relax. And if you want, you can bring your hands in the parts of your body that needs healing. Stay here for as long as you need. And when you're ready, let's chant along Satnam to close the class. Satnam. Thank you for practicing with us. Satnam.